commercial features of embedded system. Moreover, commercial features of embedded system can be described in the following form. Final cost. The cost of final product is very important parameter for the design choices. Time to market. In the design of an embedded system must always keep in mind the timing you want to produce, edit, the time to market. In the design of an embedded system must always keep in mind the timing you want to the product listed on the market. Taking too long to design a device means that it is difficult to overcome the fast changes in the market. Lifetime. Another important factor is the expected lifetime for the product, which can vary from a few days to several years or decades. Volume. The quantity of stock planned for the system is one important factor in the design phase. What are the steps involved in the build process? The process of converting the source code representation of your embedded software into an executable binary image involves three distinct steps. Each of these source files must be compiled or assembled into an object file. All of the object files that result from the first step must be linked together to produce a single object file called the relocatable program. Physical memory addresses must be assigned to the relative offset within the relocatable program in a process called relocation. The result of the final step is a file containing an executable binary image that is ready to run on the embedded system. Flowchart of build process. Distinguish between von Neumann and Harvard architecture. Von Neumann architecture, single memory to be shared by both code and data. Harvard architecture, separate memory for code and data. Von Neumann architecture processor need to fetch code in a separate clock cycle and data in another clock cycle, so it requires two clock cycles. Harvard architecture, single clock cycle is sufficient, as separate buses are used to access the code and data. Von Neumann architecture, higher speed, less time consuming. Harvard architecture, slower in speed, thus more time consuming. Von Neumann architecture, simple in design. Harvard architecture.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos and educational contents.